about that. Hey, Buster, cut out that racket. I'm trying to sleep down there.
Oh, yeah? Well, hey! What are you doing up here? See that? Number of accidents on this job, 0. National Safety First Medal for perfect record awarded to Jack Hammer, foreman. That's me. And I aim to keep that record. Now beat it.
Well, I see it doesn't pay to ask you nicely.
Look, Bright Brain, I told you to get down before you have an accident.
Such as what?
Such as this. You're all right, everything's okay, You didn't get hurt, did you? You didn't have an accident.
Jack Hammer, this is your superintendent. We have a deadline, you know. Now hurry it up and don't forget that safety record.
Yes, sir. I got to hurry before this cement gets hard.
Well, that's one accident.
Get me out of here!
Don't go away. Well, I guess we have to change the sign now.
No, don't do that.
Well, you had an accident.
I did not.
You did.
I didn't.
Did.
Did not. I did it on purpose.
Don't forget that deadline.
No, sir.
I want to hear that rivet gun. And don't forget, safety first.
Yes, sir.
Wait. See that sign? Capacity 1 passenger. You'll have to wait. Remember, safety first.
Oh, yeah. Thanks. Hey, what am I doing? Send that elevator down!
Well, I guess that was an accident.
No, I didn't have no accident.
You did too.
I did not. I was just clowning around. Oh, boy. Help!
Don't have an accident. He did.
That was no accident. You done it on purpose.
Oh, I can't stand to see a man cry. Look, fella, you got a job to do, and I want some peace and quiet. Let's work this thing out.